Planting trees can be a rewarding and satisfying experience, and it's also great for the environment. Here are some general steps you can follow to plant trees. Choose the right tree species. Research the best tree species for your area and soil type. You can ask your local nursery or check with the forestry department in your area for guidance. Choose the right location. Make sure to plant your tree in a spot with enough sunlight, proper drainage, and enough space for it to grow. Dig a hole. Dig a hole that is twice the size of the root ball of the tree. Make sure the hole is deep enough so that the root flare, the part where the roots flare out from the trunk, is level with the soil surface. Remove the tree from the container. Gently remove the tree from the container or burlap without damaging the roots. Place the tree in the hole. Place the tree in the hole and make sure it is straight. Backfill the hole with soil, and use your foot to gently tamp it down. Water the tree. Water the tree thoroughly after planting, and make sure it receives enough water regularly, especially during the first year of growth. Mulch the tree. Add a layer of mulch around the tree to help retain moisture and prevent weeds. Remember, the specific steps may vary depending on the type of tree you are planting, so it's always a good idea to research the specific needs of the tree species you have chosen.